You won't believe what GMC just did to the Savana van. This isn't just a van anymore, it's a rolling VIP palace. That'll leave your jaw on the floor. From the outside, it looks sleek, bold, and powerful. But once those doors open, it's a whole different world inside. Stick around, because this is no ordinary limo van. This is the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine van, and it's completely changed the game. Welcome to Engine Explorer, your ultimate ride into futuristic builds, luxurious conversions, and outrageous automotive transformations. If you're into high-end, over-the-top motorized luxury, you're in the right place. Now let's talk about the exterior. Finished in a pristine matte white coat with a gloss black grille and LED crystal-cut headlamps, this beast demands attention without even trying. The stretched body isn't just for show. It houses 15 fully reclining captain seats, custom lighting, and an experience you'd expect from a 5-star hotel, not a van. But the magic really starts inside. Slide open the powered door, and you're welcomed by a wave of ambient LED lighting, soft white leather seating, and high-gloss wood or carbon accents. The 15 seats aren't just seats. They're individual massage-equipped, ventilated thrones. Each one comes with its own touchscreen control panel, cup warmer and wireless charging pad. Up top there's a fiber optic star, ceiling that mimics the night sky, customizable to colors and patterns of your choice. And yes, there's a full-blown smart entertainment system, with dual 75-inch 8K screens, a surround sound Dolby Atmos system, an integrated Apple TV, Netflix, and even a built-in gaming console. And did I mention the minibar? Not just your average cooler. We're talking temperature-controlled wine racks, an espresso machine, and even a humidor for cigars. Everything is voice-controlled through an onboard AI system. Just say the word, and your seat adjusts, the lights dim, and the playlist kicks in. If privacy is your priority, the GMC's electrochromatic, privacy glass and retractable partition walls let you transform the interior into a mobile boardroom or relaxation zone within seconds. And guess what? It's not all show and no go. Under the hood, this limo van features a twin-turbocharged 6.2L V8, delivering smooth yet powerful performance, with adaptive air suspension to ensure you glide over any surface like you're floating. Fuel efficiency? Surprisingly decent thanks to its hybrid assist tech. This thing isn't just about power, it's smart too. Whether you're a celebrity, a CEO, or someone who just loves next-level luxury, this Savana proves one thing. The future of luxury travel isn't in the sky, it's on the road. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss a peek inside the world's wildest rides. Drop a comment. Would you take a road trip in this beast or what? Thanks for riding with Engine Explorer, where horse